Oh, that's perfect, I think. So I'm doing 7 drops. Mental clarity is 5 drops. Hey guys, what's up? It's Rity and this is Rity DIY, and today is going to be a little different, kind of like last time, but I'm actually going to be doing an unboxing video. This is something that I recently purchased. One thing I purchased from another YouTuber, and another one I purchased off of Amazon to go with it. So recently I've been feeling really sick and like blah and not very motivated, and so I have been watching a lot of people, but also just kind of researching essential oils and just things that can make you feel better and kind of motivated to do things around the house and get things back in order when you don't feel good. And there is this YouTuber who, I'll put her name right here, and I watch her a lot whenever I feel like I don't want to clean but I need to clean, and she's very good at like motivating and kind of talking about like cleaning things and essential oils also. And I actually haven't watched a ton of her stuff, but I watched it every now and then when I'm feeling kind of down but I want to be productive. Anyways, and so she created this brand of essential oils, and the reason I'm even making a video about it is because technically it's like DIY essential oils, like it's a DIY kit, and so I figured that's DIY enough to throw it in my channel. Also just because I don't know how they work, and I really like that she does it in a way that's very like easy to get into, and also it's really cool, the DIY kit. It kind of shows you like how you can put different scents together to kind of create a specific mood, something like that. I have not opened it yet. It came priority mail, and also when I ordered it, she technically sells diffusers to go with it, and they're super cute, but they were literally sold out. So I ended up buying one off of Amazon, which is what I was saying my other item came from Amazon. So I have that to open too. Hers was way cuter, so I'm putting links to all of her, well, I'm gonna put a link to her channel, or maybe like the video I specifically watched. I don't know yet, I'll figure that out, but there will be links below to at least find her channel, or maybe her stuff, I don't know. Anyways, just check out the description box down there, and then I'll also put my diffuser linked below as well if you decide you do like it or you want to use it. It was definitely cheaper than a lot of them because I didn't really know what I was doing, so I didn't want to invest a whole lot. Make sure that I liked it first. So the first thing that I'll say is just literally the first thing that I'll say, as far as ordering from her, I wasn't sure like what it was gonna be like, because honestly I'm a little spoiled with Amazon and I forget that you can order things from other places, and I didn't know how like shipping was gonna work, how long it would take, things like that. But it was really awesome. It got here in like 3 days, and it said that it would take, I think, like a week or something like that. So it got here even faster than I thought it was going to get here, so that already was a plus. The packaging's fantastic also. Okay, so it is so nice and fancy. I love this packaging. Also, she has like, this is a day kit, and there's also like a night kit. This is for like being productive and cleaning and things like that. There's also a night kit that's like, I think supposed to help you kind of calm down from the day, get ready for bedtime. I technically wanted both, but I figured I specifically was wanting this for like cleaning and being motivated. How many times can I say motivated in one video? So I just got one because, again, I've never used essential oils. I have no idea if I'm gonna like it, how it works, how much it'll help me, blah, blah, blah. I can already smell the lemon one. Hopefully it's not because it leaked, but just because it's strong. Okay, yeah, this smells so good already. So I am opening it, and okay, it smells really good. Okay, so there are there's this, which I'll open, and then this is what the kit looks like. It's really cool. I feel like I'm promoting her brand so hard right now, but okay, yeah, so it literally says daytime uplift kit. Like, that's what I want. That's what I need. Essential oils to lift your energy and spirits. And it's lemon, mandarin, grapefruit, and peppermint. And it's like therapeutic, 100% pure, like super good quality, all of that. And it's really cool. These little cards have, stop it. They like tell you like which scents, you know, give you what kind of a mood, what's in them, all of that. And you can like combine them. That's the DIY aspect of it, is she has like these different ones you can do. So you'll put like a certain number of drops of each one for like a certain type of mood, things like that. And it tells you how to use it in a diffuser, and you can also use it as a fragrance oil if you wanted. Facial toner, makeup refresh spray, all natural lip balm, uplifting room spray. Oh my god. So many DIYs. This gives me all kinds of ideas. See, and that's another thing. I want to start using really natural products, and that's something else that this YouTuber does. She makes her own like cleaning products, and that's something that I want to start moving towards if I ever have enough time. And so I figured the first thing that I would try is just the diffuser, and just kind of seeing how it helps me feel while I'm cleaning and things like that. And then after that, I might want to start trying to tackle cleaning products. So let me know in the comments below if you guys would be interested in seeing me try to tackle that. Maybe like an all-purpose or like a surface cleaner or something like that first. Okay, so again, so you have the coconut oil, and then you have lemon, mandarin, grapefruit, and peppermint, and then you have these adorable, how cute are these bottles that you can use. And then this is the little thing, this little thing, so that, you know, you don't make a mess when you're putting it into things. Again, I really wanted the one that she had that you could get as a bundle. It's really pretty, but anyways, I got this one. It is premium essential oil diffuser. It says for a better life, moisten skin, purify and humidify air, reinforce immunity, relieve stress, and improve sleeping. Do I need all of those or what? So the one that I got, it doesn't technically match anything I have right now, but I thought it was really cute, and it's kind of a vibe for my kitchen that looks like this on the front, so that you can choose, you know, how you want it to be. I believe this one also lights up. It does. It lights up. Anyways, so I really liked the color with like the wood and the white. And when you open it, that's where all the insides are. I really don't know how any of this works. Okay, so you get a little measuring cup, and then the you know, the plug. All right, Connor, should we do focused and alert, mood booster, mental clarity, uplifting citrus, pre-workout boost, or morning wake up? I feel like
either mental clarity or morning wake up.
But it's not morning.
I know.
What about either clean fresh home, mood booster, or focused and alert?
Hey, you asked me.
Yeah, but it's not morning.
Well, I said mental clarity for the other one.
You want to do mental clarity? But I was kind of wanting to clean, so I feel like...
Then choose what you want and don't ask me.
But like, you need to be focused, right? And alert, because you're working
I could also use mental clarity.
Okay, let's do mental clarity. So my diffuser is 150 milliliters, and she's saying on the card that for 100 it's 4 to 6 drops, and for 200 it's 8 to 10 drops. So I'm thinking I'm going with 6 to 8 drops. That makes sense. So I'll probably do 7, because that's how we do that in this house. Oh, that's perfect, I think. So I'm doing 7 drops. Mental clarity is 5 drops. Wait, okay, we're doing uplifting citrus because it it's 7 drops. I don't have to do any kind of math. So we're going with this one. I love that it has these because that way the cord doesn't get like wobbly. Okay, so I have my 150 milliliters. I'm gonna go ahead and just pour it in. Again, I'm not super positive I'm doing things right. And then, ooh, that was 3, right? 2 of grapefruit. Quick note, that comes out super fast. There we go. Okay, I'm pretty sure that was 3. And then I'm going to put the lid on. And then we push the mist button. Alrighty, and it is on. And then if you want, you can change the color. Also, it's set automatically for 1 hour. So you can change that also, but you can change the lighting if you want. Let me turn off the light, hang on. This one's just like changing colors as it goes. The purple's pretty. I don't super like the light, but you know, whatever. And then I think it's already misting. Let's see. So there you have it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and give it a few minutes, start cleaning, see if it kind of helps me, see if I feel any different, and then I will come back and let you guys know. But I'm gonna turn that light off first because I don't like it. Okay, so first thing that I'll say is while I was getting this started and kind of letting it get around in the apartment is I pulled up the 2 videos that I watched of Brittany's channel. I believe her first name is Brittany. And I'm going to specifically link the one where she goes over her new company and all of the oils and why she's doing it differently and why they're DIY kits and all of this stuff. So I'll link that one so you can actually get an understanding of like what she's about and what she's trying to do with these products. Anyways, so I actually feel like I got a headache at first when I was putting all of the drops in. Maybe coincidental that I was just getting a headache tonight, but anyways, it may have been a little bit too strong for me when I was putting them in. Also, I feel like I ended up using too many drops, so that could have been it too when I was first putting it all in. But as it started kind of filling the room, the smell, the scents from the essential oils were so strong in a good way. Like they just filled up the entire apartment. It smells so good in here, and it smells very good. It smells like I want it to look in my apartment like it smells right now, aka I need to go clean stuff so that it can look the way it smells, which was actually my goal to begin with. So far I'm really loving it. It smells great, it looks great. I've always heard about essential oils. I always wanted to try them, but I was always very scared because what do you do with essential oils? Like, I don't know anything about them, but this is awesome because she makes it very easy. She gives you the little recipes for different DIYs and lets you know like what to do, what not to do. So check it out if you're kind of like me and you don't know anything about them. I think this is going to be a really great start to learning how to use them. And then also, if you guys want, I can even try out some of her recipes. I know one was like a lip balm and one was like, I can't remember now. And just a lot of different really cool DIY ideas to use around the house and for beauty related things and stuff like that. So let me know down below if you want to see things like that. I may try out hers or even kind of look into my own ideas for DIYs that we can incorporate my new essential oils into. But for now, I will let you guys go. I am so happy that you checked out this video. If you haven't, please subscribe down below to see more videos in the future. And as always, have a great week or 2 weeks or however long it takes me to put a new video up. Anyways, love you guys. Bye.